Last Wednesday, I have sent a signal to buy the gold from 2742, and it was a winner signal with very accurate entry, and thankfully it went all the way to the take profit level, making over 300 pips of profit. Congratulations for those who have taken this signal, and I wish guys all of our signals is gonna be just an awesome ones like this one. So again, it was an excellent week for Xtreme Trader family. Regardless if you are a free member or a paid member, you surely have made money with our signals. Now, however, what's next with the gold? Before we continue, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly leave a comment and share the video. So now, what's next with the gold? That actually needs some time to understand. Let's now move to the weekly chart. So our style here in Xtreme Trader is to always analyze the market based on the weekly chart. Then we move to the daily chart to confirm the direction of the market, if it's in general gonna be bullish or bearish ones. After confirming the direction, we will switch to the 4-hour time frame or even 1-hour time frame to find the exact entry, relying on the Fibonacci retracement, support and resistance, price actions, and so on. So for a starter, let's now begin with the weekly chart. So from the weekly chart here, what we can see right now is actually, I need to squeeze the chart like that. So now what we can see right now, first of all, is a resistance trend line. As you can see right now is being respected. And in general, we also have here a triangle. Now pay attention. The market is actually moving in a very strong bullish momentum. And some of you might say that here we have a double top pattern. Well, let me just share with you something. Let me just now zoom in to show you this. Right here. So now what we can see right here, my friends, is the current price action of the last weekly candle. That price action most likely indicates a continuation in the rise. Let me just tell you why. Because here we have also a resistance zone that has just been broken out from. Check this out. So here is of course the zone, as you can see. The bracket between 2725 and 2749 is a resistance zone. Last October, the gold has made here an attempt to break out from that zone, but has failed. Then the week after, made another attempt. Then the week after, another attempt, which led, of course, to a crash in the gold prices. And the gold dropped for another 1,080 pips, 1,800 pips, which is really a lot. However, what's happening currently is that the market here has started forming again the resistance zone. And as you can see, the last weekly candle has managed finally to close above that zone, which in this case indicates most likely a continuation in the rise. Not to mention, of course, that even based on the weekly chart, we have here the resistance trend line, which most likely the gold is going to fill up. So meaning the gold still has around approximately 550 pips more to go. So again, weekly chart confirms a continuation in the rise. So we'll continue buying the gold. Now let's move to the daily chart. All right, so now daily chart here, we need to find also confirmation that the gold is indeed going to continue the rise. Now, first of all, we can confirm that the gold has made here a bullish breakout from the structure, as we can see right here, between 2528 and 2717, which means the gold has already abandoned that structure. Not only that, but also the resistance trend line. Let me just show it to you. The resistance trend line right here exactly. We had here, of course, a resistance trend line, which has already been retested right here with the new support trend line, which was, by the way, our last entry last Wednesday. And we place here our buy order. So meaning the gold has already managed to break out from that structure. So now we have confirmed that weekly and daily chart confirms that the market seems to be bullish. Now let's move to the 4-hour time frame to find our exact entry. Now here is the daily chart. Now first of all, I would like to do something here, is moving back to the weekly chart, because I would like to do this. And right here we can see clearly that we have here, of course, the resistance zone, which we have drawn earlier, right? Let's now move back to the 4-hour time frame. I just needed this to draw this line right here, so I can have actually a clear entry, because my idea here is to buy the gold right on the retest of the broken resistance zone. So moving now back to the 4-hour time frame. Now this is really interesting, because what we can see right now here is a resistance, and then a bullish breakout candle, and then attempt of number 1 of a support, number 2, number 3, and then here we have a fake breakout. We call it a fake breakout because we thought that the market will continue the fall after retesting that area, but instead, nope, it actually just resumed the rise. So now the gold actually has a good chance to continue the fall back all the way right here and respect or actually retest the same level of a real support, and after that it will continue the rise. Of course, we need to understand more about this. We need more confirmations that this is really a valid analysis. So what I will do right now is simply squeeze the chart like that. So now we actually have a better view. I like to do this because it actually gives me a better view on the market. Now what we can see right now based on the 4-hour time frame is a clear level of a resistance trend line, as you can see right here, that indeed has just been broken out from, and due to the strong bullish momentum, the market has actually created here a support trend line number 1. So the market actually has a chance right now to fall back all the way right here to respect the same level and create a support trend line number 2, which is going to be our new entry. And by that, we can confirm that we can buy the gold. However, we just need one more sort of confirmation for that. And for this, we will seek the help of Fibonacci retracement. And by the way, what I'm about to do right now is something I have mentioned in my videos on my channel called the magic of Fibonacci. The magic of Fibonacci, because it's really a magical tool that can give us a lot of entries. Now we are using here an Xtreme trader in a different way than you know. For sure you know about drawing Fibonacci from, for example, this point right here. And then you have to trade the to sell at Fibonacci 61.8 and then buy at 23.6. In Xtreme trader, we are doing it different way. We are doing it like this. Fantastic. Check this out. So now we have actually Fibonacci 161.8 and 261.8 has appeared. Now that's our trick. We always look for the reversals at 261.8, and as you can see, the gold has already reversed from that area. We just need to draw the Fibonacci from the nearest high and low, the nearest structure or a pullback that actually has appeared before the last structure that we are currently at. So by that, we can see that the market actually right now showing me Fibonacci 161.8, sorry, and Fibonacci 261.8. So what we can do next is simply confirm that we can place our buy order exactly at Fibonacci 161.8, and our nearest level of a real support confirms this entry as well. So using Fibonacci this way gives me another confirmation that I can simply place my buy order exactly right here. Now, we have decided to buy, let me just write it here. We decided to buy exactly at 2749, or actually it's 2749.95, so let's make it 50 anyway. This is gonna be easier to understand, I think. And our safe zone in this case shouldn't actually be ranging lower than the previous level of a real support at 2735. Therefore, our entry, or actually our safe zone, will be ranging only for 140 pips, which I believe is a really good ratio. Now for the take profit level, where exactly we can place our take profit level? Now the answer lies again with the Fibonacci, and this time we will draw the Fibonacci from the high to the low at the last pull happened on the current structure that we have. Check this out. Now we can see that the market right now shows me that we have here Fibonacci 261.8 exactly at 2,807. But of course, 2,807. There is a problem with this take profit level. Let me just tell you. The prices of the gold are critical at these areas. 2,600, 2,700, 2,800, 2,900, these are critical levels, and the gold most likely won't be able to just simply make a bullish or a bearish breakout easily from that level. So setting my take profit level at 2807 is not really gonna be that good idea. I prefer to place it at 2800 exactly. Our take profit level, my friends, will be at 2800. Therefore, we have to wait for the gold to fall to another 200 pips, place our buy at 2750, targeting 500 pips at 2800, and the safe zone in this case, actually we need to expand it a little bit more to be at least 150 pips. I believe 184 pips is gonna be our safe zone. Let me just now write the take profit level for you, just like that, and take profit level will be around 2800, and by that we are done with our signal. And of course, again, my friends, don't forget to join our free channel of Telegram to receive any updates about this signal. I might tell you to close it in a partial profit or loss. or actually we adjust the entry or adjust the take profit level, you name it. We can send you any sort of update through our channel here on Telegram. To join this channel is completely free of cost. Right here is the channel Xtreme Trader Signals, and you can also find the link in the description below of this video. So again, my friends, we hope to see you there. And remember, in the end, we don't guarantee any profits. We surely are proud of our results in Xtreme Trader, but it doesn't mean that the next signal is going to be profitable. There is a high probability that this signal might fail again. So please consider using a proper money management. And remember, losses are part of this business. So always be prepared for any potential losses. So until then, I hope that is informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.